Everyone has an amount of belly fat, but when excess becomes visible it becomes a problem. Belly fat occurs when you regularly eat more calories than you use through normal bodily functions and physical activity. The use of calories in nutrition is used to measure the amount of energy a given food provides and how much of it we need daily in order to live. Other factors such as eating late, bad sleeping and eating habits, etc. causes excess belly fat. In today's video I would be introducing another natural recipe which would reduce excess belly fat. Ingredients needed: carrot. According to research, carrot juice contains more than 250% of your daily vitamin A, which plays a role in healing muscles after workouts, bone health and muscle growth. The vitamin C in carrot juice helps regulate blood sugar and has effects similar to vitamin A. Carrot juice does not contain any dietary fat. Dietary fat consumption doesn't correlate to body fat, and it actually helps prevent fat gain because it promotes feelings of fullness and food satisfaction when eating meals. Green tea. Green tea has many compounds, including caffeine and polyphenols that affect the body in a number of ways. These different chemical compounds may be able to boost your metabolism, helping to speed up the rate at which your body burns calories and contributing to weight loss. Drinking slimming tea changes bacteria in the gut. The percentage of bacteria associated with obesity decreases, while those associated with lean body mass increases. Ginger. Consuming ginger can have a profound effect on high cholesterol levels that are often attributed to obesity among women and men. High cholesterol levels in a person can lead to obesity-related illnesses like heart disease and certain cancers. Ginger helps lower cholesterol by significantly reducing serum and hepatic cholesterol levels. Ginger also acts as a blood thinner and reduces blood pressure. Garlic. Garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. It's been shown to boost immunity, relax blood vessels to open up blood flow and reduce blood pressure, protect blood vessels from damage, thus lowering the risk of heart disease, and even protect against osteoarthritis while flushing out excess fat from the system. Method of preparation: wash carrot with clean water and scrape bark off with a knife, then cut in bits into a bowl. Unpack a sachet of green tea and put on the same bowl. Wash ginger with clean water, peel off bark and cut in bits into the same bowl. Wash garlic with clean water, peel off bark and put in same bowl. Transfer mixture in a pot. Pour in 2 glasses of water, lit stove or cooker and boil mixture together. After mixture is completely boiled, sieve drink into a clean cup and drink. Repeat this drink every night after eating and before retiring to bed. In no time your excess belly fat would disappear. This drink not only reduces belly fat but also increases the immune system and overall general health status.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos and share with your friends.